Welcome to Khadija's World. Today we are gonna read Pete the Kitty and the Unicorn's Missing Colors. Let's get started. Pete sees his friend Stevie the Unicorn at the playground. Stevie looks sad. Hey Stevie, says Pete, what's wrong? The magic unicorn dance party is tonight, says Stevie. But I lost all the colors in my rainbow tail. I can help, says Pete. We can use my magic paintbrush. Where did you last see your colors? Pete asked. Stevie says when I was playing in the park. The park is very big. Stevie looks worried. We'll never find my colors before the dance party, Stevie says. Which colors are you missing? Asked Pete. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue and purple are gone, Stevie says. Look, Pete points his magic brush at a berry patch. Let's borrow some red. Pop! A magic red blaze appears in Stevie's tail. Wow, says Stevie. Then we know what to do, says Pete. Great, says Stevie. Do green next. Green is everywhere, says Pete. The grass is green, the trees are green. Pop! Stevie's tail gets a green blaze. Stevie prances. The butterfly is yellow, says Pete. Pop! Stevie's tail gets a yellow blaze. Hurry, Pete, says Stevie. 3 more colors to go. This flower is orange, says Pete. Pop! Stevie's tail, get an orange blaze. Keep going, Pete, Stevie says. The party starts soon. The lake is blue, Pete says. Pop! Stevie's tail gets a blue blaze. 1 more left, says Stevie. The clouds are purple, shouts Pete. Pop! Stevie tails get a purple blaze. Yay! Pete and Stevie cheer. Stevie jumps for joy. Pete found all the missing colors. I love my rainbow tail, says Steve. Come with me to the party. Stevie and Pete dance at the magic unicorn dance party. Stevie Rainbow's tail is a big hit. Thanks, Pete, says Stevie. It's cool to help friends, says Pete. I hope you enjoy the story. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe.